Hi, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use a compressor to achieve a punchy drum sound. And I'm going to use the H-Comp. It's a very great compressor from Waves. And I'm going to just apply some few settings on the drums and let's see the results. So let's listen to the drums without the compressor. And now let's listen with the compressor. So I'm going to bypass it on and off so you can hear um, what the compressor is doing to the drum signal, and then without the compressor how the drum sounds. So you can tell with the compressor the drums is very punchy, and it's sounding great and huge. Now, a few settings with the ratio is 3.1 ratio. The attack is slow attack and the release is medium release. And then the mix knob, more than half, like 75% of it. And then the analog sound, because this gives an analog texture to the signal. So the fourth one, it sounds good. You can also apply any of them to have an analog taste to the song, and a little bit of punch, like 3%, that is okay. And then the threshold, up to around like 6 to 10 dB, that is okay. So let's listen to it again. So when I change the analog from 4 to 3 to 2 1, you can hear how it sounds. You can hear the different texture of the analog sound, the warmness of the track. So the H comp is a very great compressor. And then also here with the BPM, the hertz, the milliseconds. When you put it on the hertz, it syncs with the tempo of the whole song, and it compresses according to the BPM. So that's a very good feature on the H comp. And it's very good, very great. It makes the drum sounds very punchy. And that is a great, 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 great tool that you can have, when it comes to mixing. So just by um, inserting the compressor in the insert area, just a few tweak here and there, you can have a great punchy drums. Or you can choose to use the precepts here. Let's click on drums punch and see the settings. So with the settings, we have medium attack, medium release. The mix knob is 100%. The analog is 1. The ratio is 5.1 thereabout. So let's listen to it and see how it sounds like. So you can use this as a parallel compressor. You can insert it on the send channel and then send the drums to it, and you will still have that kind of punchy drums. Or you can insert it on the drum channel and use the mix knob to mix into the dry signal. Maybe 50% will do. So this is how to get a very punchy drum sound with the H comp actually.